So guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. I am very excited for today. We have some special guests with us. They are my good friends as well. I've been with them right from the bottom and now they're doing so well now. It's so crazy.
Started from the bottom, now we're here.
I don't even know whether I feel weird to talk to them now. It feels like talking to Eminem. You know, to all these other rappers. That kind of vibe I get from them because they're doing that good and they're performing everywhere. So yeah, so before I introduce you to them, I want you guys to please like, share, and subscribe to these videos. So guys, very excited. Can you guess who they are? They're from Edmonds School, so all the Indians are here. You're gonna see your old batchmates here. They're doing very well in life. I'm gonna call them now. Please, guys, come. Can you guess who they are?
Hey, Dawan, bro, we grew up, man. We grew up, man. What's up?
Introduce yourselves.
Sagnik,
Soumyadeep,
LeoBoys.
So from the bottom to here now, we plan to do one video. No, finally now we're getting to do it. And thank goodness I called them now because if I didn't, you guys are performing. Where are you going?
We are going to Colors TV, man.
Colors TV.
Yeah, man.
Doing what?
Doing a reality show, like Talent, Hunarbaz.
I get rejected for a small movie in town when you guys are doing that.
We were like standing in the audition line for 12 hours now, and it was fucking worth it, man.
Who are the celebrities there? Tell me.
There's Karan Johar, there's Parinidhi Chopra, and there's...
Oh, then I'm very confident. Karan Johar, if you see this, Karan Johar, please, you call me half, Through LeoBoys.
Big ups
What's
to
up?
Dawan because I would like to bring this up now because our first gig in Shillong, which was like 4-5 years back in Little Chef Cafe, Dawan hooked us up.
Behind it.
Little Chef performed,
Little Chef,
made a few grands.
Yeah.
That's how it all started.
And
So,
guess what? Honeypot
Big love.
didn't have songs, man.
Yeah,
We just took
you guys
freestyle,
performed
bro.
all those songs, no Snoop Dogg and all
Freestyle,
that.
man.
Ah, nice, man. That's so
Random
cool.
beats.
So first gig was in 2018.
18. Yeah.
Little Chef, Basam, if you're watching this, thank you for having them. Look at them now.
Liverpool
So
forever.
proud. Liverpool forever, bro. My
You never
gosh.
walk alone.
And you know what's ironic is the first song, the biggest hit song of theirs in town was Lost in the Crowd.
Yeah.
And we're in a classroom now. Damn ironic, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Ironic,
Right.
bro.
Just as if I was leaving my home, and now I portray my feelings on this microphone. When I heard the last bell, all my emotions fell.
Why did this have to end? All of this feels so unfair. Now I'm lost in the crowd.
And we're in a classroom now. Damn ironic, bro.
Yeah, bro. Ironic,
Right.
bro.
And how did you manage to get the permission, man, to do that? I don't even get permission to play football, man, in my old school. Like, they're like, no, just go leave. Ciao.
So we went to school. And like we went in like as full hip hop dudes.
That's already a problem, bro.
When we
See?
passed the
Because the
class
teachers who saw us, they saw us in blazers and uniforms.
Uh-huh.
And we went with baggy
Yeah,
jeans,
yeah.
baggy jacket and all. And we met brother to go and but Solomon. We went and asked for permission.
Yeah.
Amazing guy.
He saw our face and he was like, "Who are you? Who are you selling drugs?" I said, "No, we have this past people."
Well, you guys were wearing like
Full hip hop. Full hip hop.
what do you mean by hip hop? Like these
Big jackets.
all
big
that
pants.
wearing Timberlands and all that.
It was years
One
that we
more
last
thing,
talked.
one surprise is coming up this year. We are going to collaborate with the school choir of St. Edmund's School and recreate Lost in the Crowd again.
Lost in the Crowd, recreated. Because it's everybody's song out there, man.
And one more surprise here is I was from Anthony's. These guys from Edmonds should have been enemies because a lot of fights back then, huh? Anthony's, Edmonds.
I know because I was in both.
I was like that. I was like, if I see an Edmondian, I'm gonna punch him. So you got bashed up.
I got bashed up, I bashed many people up, but that's how life is.
I saw people getting bashed up.
It would have been so funny if
Yeah.
you guys were fighting the Anthony's dudes and I was one of them and nobody knows till now.
No, bro, no. like the show is comedy, we were more into that comedy.
So it's very nice now that we're here, and we have a few things planned for you guys. And what other things? Tell me. Activities.
We are gonna teach Dawan how to rap and how to make music, the basic elements of rap. What's rhythm, what's poetry, how to rhyme,
Everything.
and yeah, how to make music. And Dawan.
Where have you guys performed? Tell me first. I want to know.
From Goa recently.
Goa. I have
Perform.
I have been trying to go to Sora at least, but even that's been a struggle. So Goa is a bit of a stretch for me. I'll try my best. Maybe if I become a rapper, then I can try Cherry Blossom.
Nah, you can take this far.
Yeah, bro. Go on. So, name me the places you've been to, you guys, performing?
We've been to Goa, we've been to Calcutta, we've been to Bombay, we've been to Guwahati,
Shillong is bit. And Northeast, we are yet to go to other states in Northeast. Like
Delhi, but it was layover, man. We were just in the airport, we didn't perform there. But we were there.
But we were there.
So guys, so it's nice talking to them, and now they're gonna teach me how to make music and how to all the technicals of music, right? Because I just sing, I don't know.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it, guys.
Let's do it. Give me a chalk, bro.
What, you're gonna use a chalk?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought we just used a chalk for this one.
No, old school, bro. Chalk.
Yeah.
So
Feels like a.
this is for you. First, we have. I'm gonna rub this off so that we have more
This one.
space.
You already know
Don't
what
rub
this is,
this
guys.
comedy, but
Comedy is
required in life.
Comedy is required in life. No, importance of comedy.
Importance of comedy
especially
is
now.
required, especially in tough times. Yeah.
So
So when you're having an argument with your girl, make sure you joke about it. Comedy.
And
Hashtag.
comedy. Yeah.
we have rap. So basically, R stands for rhythm. A is and. P is poetry.
Rhythm and poetry.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is rap. Rhythm.
So were you a poet before I became a rapper? That's what you're trying to say?
We used to write love letters to girlfriends.
I got the horses in the back, horse stock is attached.
And especially we used to tell him to write love letters for all of us. Huh?
That was my first hustle. I used to take 10 rupees, 20 rupees to write one letter. I still do, but the rates have increased a little bit.
Bro, I didn't know.
I think I'm missing out something.
This
So
time-
under this, na, it comes 4x4,
Yeah.
8 counts, 16 counts under rhythm.
What is all this?
These are counts which you follow while following the
So,
rhythm.
when we say 4x4, an important term comes which is known as the tempo or metronome.
You guys go for coaching. Comes to all this, man. It looks very.
It's simple.
It feels like.
Recording, we learned all this.
You know, I tried coaching for civil services. It feels like that, man. Right now, I'm feeling pressured, man. Damn.
So basically, tempo is this.
Haha. Okay. So. Okay, and then
There's
follow
the
it up.
tempo.
Follow it up with your rhymes.
Follow it up with your rhyme. Spit something.
Wait, come on.
Yeah.
Go there. Look there.
I'll do that. You spit.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Any verse.
Yeah. Okay.
Any
Okay.
verse.
Okay. Let me remember some words.
On the spot.
अकेला पंछाया था सुनसान रास्ते पे ढली थी जब मिस्टर लोनी की
That's the
छाया
tempo.
जब सा रहता था सहमा सा घूमता था शांत स्वभाव मुझे महफूज रखता था
that's how you
that's
do
in
it.
4
That's tempo.
This is the 4x4 I was talking about.
So what's the 8x?
8. It's double it up. Like it was like this. Next one will be.
That's why some people do this now.
Yeah,
That's why you guys
musicians. All
No, I do that when I'm watching TV. So maybe I'm a born musician.
Yeah.
So
And you listen to music on headphones also.
Ciao, man. don't pay attention to all these things.
This is the most important thing when it comes to rapping or making any type of music, tempo. If you're not following the metronome, can I slang?
Yeah, bro.
You're fucked.
Sorry for that, but yeah, I cut.
Yeah.
But there are artists who don't follow the metronome, but they rap in off, and
Yeah.
that's really hard to do.
Flowing is something that's very difficult, I feel. Especially, there have been instances now where you guys have had bad sound or, in a stage, bad microphone,
ask me
and
about it.
you can't hear the sound properly and you have to flow to the beat, no?
Yeah, on stage.
Man.
Mic sound check time. His sound, we can't hear anything on the monitors.
Every game.
He's yelling, but still no one can hear it.
No one can hear it.
And then I have to go down and I have to tell him, please increase his volume because his voice texture is different. Please increase it.
What was one of the most funniest experiences you've had while performing? Someone did some stupid shit or, they did something, then...
Once, I won't name the place or the show, disrespect the person who I'm going to mention, but once, can I slang again?
Yeah, go for it. What's this like?
My sound was absolutely fucked up and I slanged at the sound engineer. Like, I was like, hey, sound guy.
Like on the...
Yeah.
Oh my
Live
gosh,
show.
dude.
Live show. You look like Myrthong, man. Hey, sound guy.
No, it must be annoying, no?
Yeah.
Like, you're from home, everything is perfect, and then suddenly that guy Salah, he's like having guai or something, and he's like sleeping there, and
And we sound checked in the morning.
And it was, can I slang again?
Yeah.
Fucked up the show.
True.
Listen, with poetry, this is the main part. It doesn't have to be like, I see your face in the dewdrops of the... No, not such deep shit. It's simple. You just gotta know syllables. This thing is fucked up. Sorry. Syllables. Everybody knows what syllables is.
So, basically now, if you're writing something down, you need inspiration, right?
Yeah.
So what was your first inspiration? Break up from girlfriend, don't lie.
Hey, what the line? First song only girlfriend.
I feel like artists are born, no? When they have their first breakup. I'm like, Salah, my first breakup, I'm gonna be CEO now. Salah, I'm gonna be rapper.
One is breakup song, man.
No, my thing was different.
What was yours? The first ever?
I broke up with somebody I never met in my life. In my head only. Started writing letters.
So that was the first one.
Yeah, one day what we do in Shillong, we were just taking a flight, If you know, you know. So I was like, class 9, class 10.
You know.
And I was writing some shit and, just for friends, for 1 or 2 girls, I don't know, something. And I was like, can I slang again?
Yeah.
Fuck, I'm good. I was like, whoa, I shouldn't be doing
Wow,
that.
that's so rare.
Writing letters, but in Facebook, DP is Bran Adams.
So what's interesting is he realized his talent through writing love letters to girls.
Yeah.
Now, how did you realize your talent? Like how did you realize that he had talent as well? Because you don't know, right?
For us, it's been very long, bro. Since we were in class 5, class 6, in Shillong, we have a thing of getting pirated CD discs. Now that we're artists and putting out our own music, don't buy pirated discs. Purchase the album from iTunes, Spotify, everywhere.
Yeah, don't buy mixtape.
But yeah, we were young and we didn't have so much money, so it used to be $20, $30. We used to get those hip hop CDs with Eminem, Recovery,
50 Cent, Get
Lil
Rich,
Wayne,
Die
Carter
Trying.
tapes,
man,
everything.
those were the days.
And we always, our pastime, we used to sit, chill, listen to this music, did not understand shit at that point of time. Class 5, class 6, who understands it? But we felt a connection towards that thing. We started loving it. We started doing it by ourselves. We started rapping songs of other artists.
So you would just record in your phone, right? And then listen to this. I do that sometimes too. I'm like,
Here's where the girls come
"Tell
in
me
again."
crying. I'm like, shit, sounds bad, man.
We got it recorded, and in WhatsApp we're searching, where's that LC Wala tuition group?
Yeah.
That's the first group where we're sending the song.
So that was our first hustle. We had a plug in every school group, WhatsApp group in class 10. One person who would add us, and we would send the link, and they would remove us
That was
immediately.
like
But the link would go.
Yeah, the link.
Everybody will see.
That's the mission, bro. Mission
That's the
failed
mission.
successfully.
Mission accomplished.
Complete successfully.
Yeah. That was funny.
So basically, you guys, you realize through being friends and through
Yeah.
writing love letters. So see, even for you guys, if you're doing something weird, maybe you might discover talent.
Yeah, that's how talent comes out.
I just used to run my mouth all day. People will talk too much. Like, shit, maybe
Nah,
that's
you're
meant for
doing
vlogging.
This is not easy. Like everybody thinks like he's coming here, standing, making fun, having a good time, but I'll tell you this: to be in front of a camera.
Going script is
not
easy, but
easy.
going off script is never easy. I'm telling you.
Doing your own shit is not easy unless you do it in the morning.
Yeah, thanks, man.
So syllables, it's basically
Give an example of
more than
like how to
more than writing it.
Yeah.
It's about how it sounds. So give me a word. Give me a long ass word, whatever.
A long ass word.
Anything. It doesn't have to be so long, but
Flabbergasted.
Flab-
Saw that on Big Bang Theory.
Okay.
Flabbergasted.
That stuff.
flabbergasted. That's a good word.
That's a good word.
Lots of rhymes. So how many syllables does this have?
Flabbergasted.
This is one. Fla,
Oh, that's what
One.
I'm doing.
b, two,
Gas.
ted. 4 syllables.
4 syllables.
Okay, so now rather than rhyming this whole word of flabbergasted, you have flabbergasted. So you can just write fla. What rhymes with fla?
Yeah, black.
Okay, see. Fla.
Try, try. Oh my god, man.
Black.
I'm sweating, man, now. That's...
No, just write A. Blah.
You see the word?
Black.
We got blah, b, blacker. You connected it right.
That, man.
Black.
K. Blacker, gas. You can rhyme in
Smash.
Smash. Hash.
Explicit content.
Please, kids, go.
Okay, but you can't just rhyme any word. It should make sense with blacker.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Gas.
Gas. Okay, try. I.
Past.
Yeah.
You go for past.
Pass, okay.
Black pass.
Blacker, past.
Black and pass, flabbergasted.
Ten.
Black and
Tense, you can write.
Look at that, guys. We have the words.
It goes out, but I'm sorry. It
That's
always
right,
does.
Think outside the box, remember? My advice to everyone here.
If you gotta do big things in life, you gotta go out.
Yeah.
If you know, you know. If you know, you know. So it's like flabbergasted, blacker past tense. It's that simple. You just carry it on and just add a few words. I was
So I want to know,
flabbergasted.
who taught you guys all
These
this?
are all connecting, like how we connect sentences in English.
See,
This
I
will connect
was
you to the line.
flabbergasted.
He was. He had
I was
he was
flabbergasted.
black opacity.
I was flabbergasted. Yeah, break it up.
That's a good
Big
point.
words or a girl, break it up.
Break it up. Only girl.
So these guys, ladies, man, that's good. So guys, it was nice. It was nice knowing about all this. And now I feel like since we've heard about all this, we know about all this, we want to see you guys perform something small, maybe.
So like
you can.
on your request, you said Lost in the Crowd.
Yeah, Lost in the Crowd, because Lost in the Crowd was the song.
Actually, what happened? The story behind Lost in the Crowd is the music is not on our rights anymore. So what we did is we created our own chords and versions to it. So
I'm gonna just pull this chair.
Come on. Are you guys excited? Lost in the Crowd, guys.
hey, my lyrics is a very old song. Yeah, if I forget,
It's fine, man. I love it so much.
Me
man.
too, guitarist. Cannot
Guitarist
class.
chords, so you won't forget because it's in this muscle memory.
All the name all the minions, random minions, all you guys. Remember it's major.
Shout out pin. Recent business.
Recent. Nice. Now I will move out the way. Let's go, guys. Clap for them, huh? Let's go. Let's go.
I hope I
Hey, no
don't fall.
pressure, man. No pressure.
I hope you fall.
So lost in the crowd.
Lost in the Crowd, song we made for our school. Shout out SCS, shout out everybody.
So why don't we do this? After we do this, let's break this down too.
Yeah, maybe.
Making music, right?
I can spit some rhymes with you guys as well. Yeah, bro.
So here it goes.
Let's go.
Good to go.
Yeah.
Let's go. Guys, cheer them up. One day.
March 2003 was an important day in my destiny. The SES logo in my heart and the Edmund Dade spirit in my head. I know that it's great and there's no debate that this institution led me to wherever I am today. I still remember the last day, the cold winds hitting my cheek. I was so afraid to speak cause I got weak. It was just as if I was leaving my home, and now I portray my feelings on this microphone. When I heard the last bell, all my emotions fell on the ground. I still remember the sounds of goodbyes from my friends who were more like a family. It's a bittersweet heartbreak, these memories for nothing I'll trade. Here's where our lives are made, here's where foundations lay. Here we strive to plan our life for God and country. Lost in the crowd, screaming these words out loud. One day I'll be something, lost till I'm found. Screaming these words out loud. One day I'll be something.
Look at that. Let's go, bro. Look at him feeling the music. And that is it, guys. What an amazing performance, bro. Damn, that was lit, man.
This is the first time we performed this live. Today is the first day we performed this inspiration.
Let the music possess you.
Yeah. Ichika need to write your inspiration.
Music doesn't have boundaries, bro.
Yeah.
Like, I am not taught by anybody, he's not taught by anybody. Did this shit by ourselves.
Man, that's so cool. Look at
Yeah,
that.
if you like something, follow it and subscribe to his channel.
Thanks.
He's an amazing guy. Trust me, like it takes. Many people do a lot of things. We're artists, we make music, many people sing, many people play, blah blah
And
blah. But
it's-
it takes a different kind of talent and
Thanks,
that
man.
makes people laugh.
And bro, sense of humor is like everyone doesn't have it. People are gifted with it. So people who can relate to sense of humor, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And yeah,
And these
sense
guys
of
as
humor
well.
is always up, and it keeps your blood pressure
Always needed, bro. When you guys always laugh, always have fun. And see, these guys are so humble. They're doing so well. They're doing so big now. They're so humble. It's so nice. Good friends, old friends. We're catching up here, and I hope you guys enjoyed the show. I will mention everything in the bio, from the YouTube to Instagram, whatever you have, even LinkedIn, man. Everything, man. You want your home address?
Yeah.
Everything.
22nd January, 9 p.m. We come on TV, Colors TV. February, our third album, Trinity Tapes, Volume 1 will be out.
Yes.
Listen to it, share with your friends. If you
And
like
fuck
it,
this shit up.
if you don't like it, it's okay. Let me know.
The first album was
Resurrect.
Resurrect, and then Homecoming.
And
then
this
the
is
third one
album
is
where Trinity Tapes.
Trinity Tapes.
So basically, it's an album which will be divided into 3 volumes. So volume 1 will be out first. Then after a month after volume 1, 2. Then vice
that
versa.
is a lot of songs. How many songs
15
you guys
songs.
How many songs you get?
5
guys get,
in each volume.
Compiling all these albums till now, yeah.
70, 75.
75 songs, guys. Damn, I couldn't make one. That takes talent, man, guys. Takes talent. Good job. Well done to you guys. Thank you so much for being on the
Thank
show.
you so much for
Thank you
having
so
us
much.
here.
And yeah,
It's been one of a time.
Thanks.
Hell of a time. What one of a time?
hell of a time, man.
Loved
Hell of a
it.
time.
Hope you
So
enjoyed
nice,
the
yeah.
episode. Like, share. Don't hate on this boy. We got a problem with him. We got a problem with him.
Got to go past these guys. Are we gonna give this place a shout out?
Big shout out to
No,
the
are we not?
To my home, Lady Keane College.
Lady Keane College. Thank you
Shout
so
out.
much, Lady Keane College, for this classroom.
Peace.
God bless you guys.
You can get a cover thumbnail for the videos.
Peace.
Peace.
Done. Thanks, guys. So nice.
Yeah, man.
Good. Nice.
Grateful.